Greetings, everyone. Today, we would like to introduce a low-power active speaker that combines a USB sound card input amplifier board. This active speaker is specifically designed for the WONDOM 2.5-inch speaker and matching amplifier board. The 3D printed enclosure features a novel color scheme, compact size, and lightweight material, fully optimizing the sound quality of the 2.5-inch full-range speaker. The honeycomb-shaped grille adds a stylish and sophisticated look while providing excellent speaker protection. The enclosure includes a designated space for a USB Type-C interface and pre-drilled installation holes that align with the dimensions and positions of the amplifier and speaker, simplifying system integration. Despite integrating the amplifier and speaker internally, this active speaker maintains a remarkably compact size. It measures approximately 100 mm in length, 95 mm in width, and 80 mm in height, allowing you to place it anywhere without occupying much space. Now, let's take a look at the amplifier and speaker used in this speaker system. The speaker is paired with the WONDOM KAB3 stereo low-power amplifier, which supports USB sound card input. Simply connect it to your computer using a USB cable, and it will provide both power and audio transmission without the need for additional power sources, drivers, or software. It is a plug-and-play solution with convenient wiring and easy operation. With a built-in boost circuit, it can deliver 8 watts output per channel with an 8 ohm load when powered by DC 5 volts. For higher output power, you can use a DC 12 volts power supply and achieve up to 15 watts output with a 4 ohm load. The speaker used in this system is a 2.5-inch 4 ohm 25 watts full-range speaker. It features a ferrite magnet motor and an aluminum dust cap. The aluminum cone is equipped with a specially designed large rolling rubber surround, allowing for dynamic linear response to high displacement input signals. The steel bracket provides sturdy construction and easy installation, ensuring high build quality. Using this speaker is as simple as connecting it to your computer with a USB cable to start playing music. With its minimalist design, compact size, 15 watts peak output power, convenient wiring, and easy operation, this low-power speaker is ideal for industrial audio applications such as ATMs, self-service vending machines, and guide machines. Considering that these applications often involve voice announcements, we have optimized the speaker for clear vocal reproduction. Bluetooth connected. Bluetooth connected. Bluetooth disconnected. Bluetooth disconnected.
On hands. So meeting other polyglots helped me realize that it is really crucial to find enjoyment in the process of learning languages. But also, that joy in itself is not enough. If you want to achieve fluency in a foreign language, you'll also need to apply 3 more principles.
As you can hear, the sounds are clear and prominent without distortion, offering high speech intelligibility and naturalness. There are no stutters or word omissions, accurately conveying the voice content. If you found this video helpful, please kindly consider liking, sharing, or leaving a comment. Thank you for your support and valuable feedback.